Hello, myself Nishad Vispute. Today I am going to present the CDR analysis with insights web application with its interface and working. As we can see on the screen, it has three sections: the call analytics tool, the device analytics tool, and the service analytics tool. In the call analytics tool, it contains the information or the data or the interface which has information all about the call services. Means it can be the incoming calls, outgoing calls, the the group, the hourly data, weekly data, or the day wise data, and so on. In device analytics tool, it has the information based on which kinds of devices are used for the communication. And in the service analytics tool, it contains the information or the data regarding the service analytics, means the service data. So now let's see the call analytics tool first. As we can see here, there are four drop downs menu, in which the first, the 20 June 2019 is the start date, the 25 June 2000 is the end date. As we can see, we can change it to, let's do it 22 June to 25 June. Now based on these two dates, means the start date and end date, the groups are formed. We can select as many groups as we want, means multi groups can be selected here. And then what kind of graph we want, let's see hourly data. Now as we can see, the graph is formed which is based on the in which the x-axis contains the hour and the y-axis contains the count. And we can see as the scale, the blue lines are of incoming call and the red lines are of outgoing call. So this is the graph based on the 23 June to 25 June incoming calls and outgoing calls. The next section is the card section, which contains the information of the selected dates, with the start date and end date. Within those days, how many total calls were there, out of those how many incoming calls, outgoing calls, and missed calls. The maximum duration between the selected dates is 208 minutes, means it is the maximum duration. And most of the incoming and outgoing calls are between 14 to 14:59, means afternoon 2 to 3. Next is the data table, which contains the information of group, user ID, the user device type, how many incoming calls, how many outgoing calls, missed calls, and total call duration. As we can see, it is a very huge list. So we can see here one by one. It is a 14 pages. So this was the information regarding the call analytics tool. We can change the end date too. Let's see, it may be 24. And we can see the graph changes accordingly. Let's see day wise data now. Now as we can see, we selected the dates from 22 June to 24 June. So those 3 days are mentioned on the y-axis, and accordingly the count is taken on the y-axis, and x-axis contains the dates. Now our cards changes accordingly. The busiest day, it is the 24 June 2019, which we can see in the graph, which is the highest peak. It can be according to the weekdays too. Now on x-axis contains the weekdays, that is Monday, Saturday, Sunday. And as we can see on the graph, the Monday is the busiest day, which is mentioned in the card automatically. This was all about the call analytics tool. Now let's see the device analytics tool. Device analytics tool contains the information regarding the devices. Here just we have to select one date from the tab itself. Let's see 23 June. So as we can see, the pie chart is developed in which the scale is given with the colors, that is Polycom, Windows, CS2000, and NGSS, E-Link, Android, Mac. Means these were the devices whose percentage count is mentioned in this the pie chart. That is Polycom was used 78.3%, and we can accordingly see here in this manner. That gives the information just by clicking on those sections. Windows 29, 17. Accordingly here. We can change the date now. Let's see 25th June. See the now according to the devices used, the pie chart is developed in which the maximum amount is the Polycom, and accordingly all others, as we can see. iPhone 27 2%, Mac. This was all about the device data. Now let's see the service analytics tool. The service analytics tool contains the information regarding the services. Here also we have to select the date from the drop down. Let's consider it may be the 21 June. See, the pie chart is developed and we can see the primary device, secondary device, call forward, no answer. These are all the parameters according to which the pie chart is developed and what amount, what percentage it contains. The 50.5% is the primary device, and all others, as we can see, is 22.4% secondary device, call forward, no answer 8.22%, and the slight amount of percentage is also mentioned accordingly. Here also we can change and see another date, like let's say 22 June. See, accordingly the data here, the maximum amount is the Polycom 73.8%. So this was, here we can see as many groups as we can see all of them. Of 4 groups, and we can see the development according to it in the data table and all other. This was all about the CDR analysis with insights. Thank you so much. Now you might be wondering that how this entire project is set up. What is the base of this? It is made using the technologies like Python, and using Python a web development is done. Now this entire information that we can see in the graph, and we are in what we are displaying is all stored in a database or a data set, which is in the form of an Excel sheet containing 435 columns and 17,000 rows. That also we will be providing you. Now this entire data set is very raw and the information is not directly usable. So by using Python, we write a program to clean it, to make it in the form that we can use in our web application. So that file, that Python project, we will be sharing. Now after creating that useful data, we segregate them into 3 columns that we can see here as call analytics, data, device analytics, and service analytics, so that we can display all the information separately and category wise. So we will be providing you all these files with this project. So this is not only a final year project or a college university project, it is an industrial project, and the demand for this is not that low, because every industry, every telecom industry deals with the call analytics. So we here providing you with all these files and a general document in which we have mentioned all these steps, that what are the prerequisites, and all those files we are providing you and their descriptions. So thank you for selecting us.